In this video, we'll be looking at our targets for Avax right now in the immediate short term. So right now, as I'm recording this video, Avax is trading at about $71.60. And to give a brief recap of Avax, we did get rejected at the key resistance that we were looking at previously at about $76.60. So this was the level that we had to break above. As you can see that this level here was the previous support and resistance line that Avax was using from the 6th of March towards the 10th of March. So we did initially bounce off this level here for support. However, you can see that once we fell below it, we had this extended correction towards the downside, and on the retracement backup, we retested the same line as resistance. And we sold off towards the downside. So right now, in the immediate short term, Avax is testing a key level of support here that we need to hold at about $71. So you can see that this level here has a lot of significance for the coin. We have been using this level for support ever since the 7th of March, and previously, whenever we tested this level for support, quite a few buyers stepped in, and he gave us continuation towards the upside. So if Avax starts to close multiple 4-hour candles below this level here, there was quite a high probability that we would have convincingly broken down from the support, and Avax would have an extended correction towards the downside. So if that scenario plays out, the next support to look out for would be about 65, which is the previous local bottom that we placed in on the 24th of February. So there'll be the analysis and the downside targets for Avax right now. So the resistance that we will need to get above will be the same level here once again at about 77. If Avax can start closing multiple 1-hour candles above this level here, they'll be quite bullish for the coin, as we'll be trading above the prior local top on the 1-hour time frame. We will be breaking above a key support and resistance line, and we would also be trading above all the key, bringing our visuals on the 1-hour time frame. So those three factors combined would be quite bullish for Avax, and it's quite likely that Avax would come up and retest the next key horizontal line over here at about $83. So this would be the significant level to look out for. As you can see, this was the previous support that had broken down and flipped into resistance before we add this correction towards the downside. And if you take your fib retracement tool, you'll notice that this level here is also basically the 0.618 flip of the current swing high to the swing bottom. So if Avax can close a few daily candles above this level here, it's quite likely that we could have a local bottom in for Avax, and it's quite likely that Avax would come up and test the top of the range, which is at about $95. So this would be the final resistance look out for this consolidation over here. As you can see that this level here has been holding us back ever since the start of January. If you can close daily candles above this level here, we would have an uptrend on the daily time frame, as we would have a string of higher highs and a string of higher lows. It's quite likely that the micro bottom for Avax is probably in, and Avax would come up and retest the levels that we were previously looking at in the months of November towards January. So the first level would be about $127, followed by the all-time high, which is at about $147. So that'll be it for this video. If you guys want any value in it, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.